10 minutes. Welcome back. This will probably be a two-part video. I'm actually really anxious to see what's on the inside of this halogen, and this is a genuine headlight from my 2013 Ford Taurus. This was actually the headlight that had water sitting at the bottom, and after the rain was over, this whole thing would be fogged up, and I didn't appreciate that. So I'm trying to open it from the back, and I'll try to detach it. I want to see what's in here, like how it all works. That's my whole objective. All right, so let's finish digging in, which you guys didn't see the first part, but here we go. And for those who are watching this video for the first time and you're like, why is he tearing apart his headlight? How is he going to drive? I have bought new headlights for my Taurus. And I already sold my left unit, which was in actual good condition. But the individual didn't need the right headlight, so I told him, you know, I won't send the right, I'll keep the right. And I'm glad I did. Woohoo! I'm trying not to get hurt here because this plastic is really hard plastic. Like a kid in a candy store, man. This is exciting, actually. I should have got my garden gloves for this, man. I'm making a big mess in my house. Oh, goodness. And just so you guys know, each unit, this headlight unit, is like $600. So I'm kind of confused as to why I'm actually doing this, but I feel compelled to see what's inside this thing. Why is it $600 for just some piece of plastic that looks good but is actually trash? Sorry, Ford. Didn't mean to say that out loud. This is the worst headlight setup I've seen in my life. It looks great, but it's the worst. I got LED headlights in mine now, like, you know, like $80 LED headlights that worked 495% better than the stock headlights that were in there. My hand is hurting already. That's what I want to see, but I'll try to get the rest off for you guys on another video. Man, this thing is hard. No, that's not what she said. Wow, that's interesting. It's a resistor. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go. Take this off. Oh, that's a star key I don't have, I think. Alright, so we got some wires connecting to this. Okay, so this is where the power comes in. Okay. Oh. Okay. Trying not to break the projector while you're assembling. Even though it's useless. Woo-hoo. Dang, I got cut. Oh, psych.